Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by plugging the external drive into a fast USB port. That reduces transfer time and dropped files. Once connected, check free space and format to NTFS if the drive prompts. This ensures permissions and large files work. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup. You can enable file history for documents and personal files, or choose Backup and Restore for a full system image. Make that choice now, so Windows will prompt the right next steps. You now configure what Windows will copy and when. This controls how you recover later. If you choose File History, click More options to pick folders, set frequency, and how long versions are kept, because higher frequency uses more space. If you need a full restore, choose Backup and Restore and select Create a System Image to capture drives, boot files, and installed programs. Also exclude temp or media folders you don't need. Once set, click Backup Now and monitor progress for errors. After the backup finishes, don't assume success, verify. You should restore a single file or mount the system image to confirm integrity, because a verified backup is trustworthy during emergencies. Once verified, safely eject the drive and store it offline or offsite for redundancy. Make a habit. Schedule backups weekly or after major changes. If something goes wrong, check Event Viewer for error codes, run chkdsk on the external drive, and confirm Windows has right permissions. Those steps solve most common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.